Hi everyone, this is Mustafa Driving School. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to park on the right hand side and reverse to car length back. If you got tests coming up or just want to improve your driving skill, this video is for you. So let's get started. So at the moment, I'm just going to move off from here safely and let's full effective observation. So you're driving a normal road. Now at this part, the examiner asks you, I would like you to pull onto the right hand side under the second tree. So what we need to do, we're going to check our center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and position to the right hand side. Start to going early and then look far ahead the curb to make sure you don't hit the curb, and give yourself enough space from the curb, not too close, not too far up, and straight the wheel. So stop here now. Okay, so now at this point the examiner asks you, okay, thank you very much, and I would like you to reverse to car length back reasonably parallel to the curb. Okay, so what do we need to do at this point? We need to select reverse, which is prepare. Once you don't prepare, then we need to observation. That's called a 6-point check or lifesaver. So if you stop on the right hand side, we need to start from the right hand side. Full effective observation. When it's safe, then start going slowly and look all around, and then time to time look your right mirror to make sure you don't hit the curb. So nice and slowly look all around, stop and start. Then if anybody comes from any direction, you must stop. So keep going reverse, and I'm looking my right mirror to make sure I'm not hitting the curb. Look all around about 2 car length. Okay, nice and smooth. There you go. So this is about 2 car length. So now you stop. Now the examiner will ask you, drive on when you're ready. So make sure your car is in drive. Then full effective observation from the right hand side to the left hand side. When it's safe, then signal and then move off to the left side. And that's how park on the right hand side, reverse to car length back. I hope you find this short video useful. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more video like this. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.